I hope you guys are doing fine and getting ready for Sinhala and Tamil New Year. So now I'm going to take you guys on a tour to show how we, Cambridge College of British English, celebrated Sinhala and Tamil New Year. So keep on watching.
The Sinhala and Tamil New Year, a celebration deeply rooted in cultural heritage, bring us together in joyous harmony, marking the dawn of a new beginning. With the blessings of the clergy and elders, let us step into the new year with renowned hope and prosperity, spreading joy across the globe. The CCB staff embrace the tradition of the New Year by initiating a heartwarming tradition of visiting their relations, as these gatherings foster strong bonds and create lasting memories. As the Sinhala and Tamil New Year approached, the CCB staff eagerly prepared for the festivities by adding an exhilarating touch to their celebrations with the lighting of firecrackers. Preparing sweet meals for the Sinhala and Tamil New Year is a cherished tradition that brings families together to celebrate the joyous occasion with delectable treats symbolizing prosperity and abundance. Staff was engaged in making delicious avud cookies. Through the traditions of playing the ravan, the CCB staff honored their cultural heritage and celebrated the bonds of friendship and community that bound them together. The team joyfully engaged in the traditional game of Panchadanima as part of their New Year festivities, immersing themselves in the spirit of camaraderie and competition. In addition to the vibrant game of Panchadanima, the CCB staff indulged in the lively tradition of playing dice during their New Year celebrations, adding a touch of excitement to their festivities.
So we, Cambridge College of British English, would like to wish you a
සුබ සිංහල සහ ඉන්දු අලුත් අවුරුද්දක් වේවා.
සිංහලම් தமிழ் இனிய புத்தாண்டு வாழ்த்துக்கள். Wish